Ah, thank you, kid.
God damn it.
Kuzi,
Alright.
Saru, Ak.
So now you have the whole province.
Yes. Now we'll start lots of production. That's it. And I'm literally getting fucking pissed and making a huge fucking army.
Good.
Oh, but wait, Mr. Clown, you gotta build up armaments.
Well, the area is becoming safer.
Oh, look at this puss.
Oh, him?
Yeah, you're fucking
Motherfucker.
stupid. You
Yeah.
stupid big tree centacle motherfucker, die.
Yeah, he's scared of us right now because he has nowhere to go. Oh, he has two places now, actually. He's been
Yeah,
expanding.
the places I wanted to go
Oh, he took two places on the gate. Shit. And one behind it. He fucked up those one people. That's
to. He fucked up.
sub. I'm gonna have to deal with him soon, I think.
That seems balanced.
Let me deal with them.
Deal with who?
Stupid
You
bitch.
need to build up your shit
I
first.
don't think you can deal with anybody right now, buddy. Respectfully.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I got a confederation. I'm fucking. Is he dead? Oh no, he's not. He definitely blew up those guys though. Jesus. It's just a ritual. That's unfortunate, dude, man. Alright, stop raiding people.
Maori Tatagio.
Malaga, Rough Karoof. Stop barking.
Marink.
Hold on.
Excuse me.
You summoned the first prince. Are you prepared?
Thank you.
Why can't I build an outpost on your shit?
Who?
Rage.
I'm not sure. I definitely didn't have one there. So,
It should let you.
because vassals are funny. No, it's because you're vassals.
Oh, is he trying to do it on a vassal place?
I'm just trying to do it in the capital. And obviously, like, your vassals.
Yeah, you're not close enough.
No, my capital is up in the top left corner of the map.
Oh, so it's gonna be too far to even recruit.
No. No. It's because his vassals have one in his, what's it called? Have one in his capital,
No.
so you can't put one there.
No, don't do not at that capital. Do it at like my home capital up in the top left.
No, yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Yeah, but I can't recruit from there. I don't know how I can get over there.
You don't have to go up there to recruit from
So-
it.
oh, okay.
Yeah.
It's not like you can do it anywhere. Ooh, I'll take 3k for peace, thanks. Yeah, you're a bit fucking funny, aren't you? Bit of a silly goober as well. casualty of that. Sure, dude, love that. Yippity yip.
Kazakh monger! Dere Amahaskala!
Ooh, those sentinels are pretty cool. Gee, I sure do love just spreading a bunch of flames and fire, killing innocent French people.
Oh, that's... Oh. I gotta save up for the drill. I don't have any resources.
What do you mean by resources?
Holy fuck. I don't have any, like, supplies coming in.
Oh.
Oh boy. Gonna have to wait.
You should be fine. Alright, Malagor. Just get going.
Drink mata endrin kuli. Anfa Grimazul.
Lead.
Summas taletineras.
Let's go. It's all this.
They shall fall.
I'll go this.
Fahashut.
No, let's go. Okay. That seems kind of broken. And that seems pretty good as well, actually. Take that.
Alright, cool. And then this. Oof.
Put that on you. I'm a French.
I'm just gonna sit tight.
Yeah, I mean, if that's what you need to do, do it, you know?
I just got things developing and I don't want to spend too much.
I could have mad Malagor blew up his fucking thing.